get his hole. That's an edible 4-mouth perch. I'll bring him over there and show y'all. Beautiful fish. I remember catching these when I was a kid in the Withlacoochee River. It amazes me they're up here in a tiny little creek. Withlacoochee River's in central Florida. Had a ball. Alright, time for a little Spanish pause. Alright. Well, I was just sitting here thinking. I'm going to take a break, like I said, Spanish pause. But it dawned on me. Earlier today I was sitting in my recliner trying to get my Twitter numbers up so I could get people to look at my website, but sat there thinking I got to get some more material for my website. That recliner was comfortable. I was relaxed. It was cool in the air conditioner. I almost didn't come. Sitting here listening to this, what a shame it would have been. I would have missed out. Missed out big time. And from here on out, anytime I get that feeling, I'm hitting the woods. I'm going hunting or I'm going fishing. This hole right behind y'all in front of me is one I'm going to hit next. Let me spin this around. I believe a fella could catch fish in there all day long. That creek opens way up. It's pretty looking back that way, but just too shallow to fish. So I'm going to sit here and kick back, and then I'll record catching some fish in that hole.